So, good afternoon, ma'am. We are the sub teams of Group 4. So, our assigned caricature is the caricature 1. So, the public post is not hereditary crown. The political cartoon shows a transfer of the crown by Dr. Santos, a politician from Tondo, Manila, to Dr. Barcelona, his brother-in-law, as if the position he occupied was his personal property which he gave to anyone he liked. So, ikaw na Basaya, sa question number 1.
Hello ma'am, I am Prince Debe Basia. What do you notice what's happening in the cartoon? The caricature shows a man in a fancy suit giving a crown to another man wearing a coat, representing the transfer of power within a family. It criticized the problem of political dynasties where power is passed down through family connection instead of being earned based on qualification. The cartoon highlights the issue of unfairness and lack of equal opportunities in political, emphasizing the importance of choosing leaders based on their abilities and the will of the people rather than family. For example, ma'am, si Matalandang na siya iyang kaharian tapos siya kay aning tiguang na tapos nasa jay iyang anak nga teenager nga nanas antong pangutok tapos man yang gusto pasahan sa iyang power nga king bilang isang king tapos man siya ang political dynasties. Next reporter is Estrabilio.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Jana Grace Estribillo, and I'm reporter number 2. What What is the issue you think this cartoon about? The cartoon is about the problem of political dynasties where power and position in politics are inherited within a family without considering qualification or the choice of the people. It highlights the issue of unfairness, lack of equal opportunities in politics, as well as the potential for nepotism and corruption when family ties determine who holds political power.
So, good afternoon, ma'am, once again. Paki-scroll daw Basaya. So, I am John Lloyd T. Matalandang, ma'am. So, the number 2 question. Is this issue still apparently today? If yes, what are they? If not, explain. So, yes, the problem of the political dynasty still exists today in many countries. It means that power and positions in politics are often passed down within a family without considering qualification or the choice of the people. This can lead to unfairness and limited opportunities for others who may be more qualified. It also raises concerns about nepotisms and corruptions when a family connection determines who holds political power, while some countries have tried to address this issue through the laws or reforms. Political dynasties continue to be a problem in many places. So the last question is na number 4. How do you solve this issue? Provide two solutions. Patasa na. So the first solution is implement anti-dynasty laws. One solution to address these issues, political dynasty, is to implement anti-dynasty laws. These laws would prohibit family members from simultaneously holding or succeeding each other in political positions. By enforcing such laws, it becomes more difficult for political power to be concentrated within a specific family, promoting fair competition and equal opportunities for other qualified individuals. Anti-dynasty laws can help level the playing field and ensure that political positions are earned based on merit rather than a family connection. So the second solution or the second solution to discuss is the two. Promote meritocracy and transparency. Another solution involves promoting meritocracy and transparency in the political systems. This includes implementing measures that prioritize qualifications, experience, and track of records of candidates for political positions. By establishing clear criteria and evaluation processes, individuals would be selected based on their abilities and achievements rather than family ties. Additionally, enhancing transparency in campaign financing, political appointments, and decision-making process can help prevent nepotisms and corruption. So, kaning second solution is mas dapat ni siya is i-emphasize ang meritocracy and transparency. It because para mo, for example sa anang mga politician mudagan sila is dili lang dapat gamiton ang ilahang dynasty nga pamilya, so dapat mogamit sila og credentials, mga backgrounds of records at education para mas mailhan sila sa mga tao. Then kana lang ma'am, daghang salamat, thank you.